Hey guys, it's Rachel, and I have an all-new video for you guys centered around my experience in college. So I currently attend UCLA, and it is actually known for having some of the best dining halls in the nation. I think we were ranked #1 on multiple occasions. And my favorite, all-time favorite dining hall has to be B Plate. So I probably eat at B Plate too much. I eat there religiously, and I know the menu like the back of my hand. And this year, actually, B Plate released its very own cookbook, which you best believe I bought in a quick hurry. This is B Plate's very first cookbook, and pro tip, no one calls it Bruin Plate, it's just called B Plate. And it has a collection of all the recipes that they serve at the dining hall, and I absolutely love the food that they serve at B Plate. It's more like farm to table, fresh foods, really healthy and organic. And because I love B Plate so much, I thought I would share one of the recipes from their cookbook with you guys. And today I will be showing you guys how to make the black pepper and strawberry compote. This is a compote that I eat almost every Saturday morning when I'm at school, and they serve this in their jam section, and it goes great on top of a piece of toast or with some yogurt and blueberries. So this compote is absolutely delicious at school, and hopefully I can recreate it at home and you guys could do it too. It only requires 5 ingredients, so it should be pretty easy. And with that being said, let's get started, and I will also do a review at the end, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Alrighty, I will be showing you guys how to make B Plate's black pepper and strawberry compote. In a large saucepan, we are going to go ahead and add 1 pound of strawberries that have been washed, and also make sure to cut off the stems of the strawberries. Then we'll add in 3/4 cup of white granulated sugar, as well as 3 tablespoons of water. Now the next ingredient is a little bit more funky. It is actually white balsamic vinegar, but I couldn't actually find that at the store, so I went ahead and got golden balsamic vinegar, and it worked out just as good. So go ahead and add in 3 tablespoons of white or gold balsamic vinegar. We are now going to take things to the stove top, and we are going to bring these strawberries and ingredients to a boil. Make sure to stir it occasionally just so that the strawberries and the sugar don't crystallize or stick or anything like that. Once the mixture has come to a boil, you can turn it down to a simmer and let it simmer for 15 to 30 minutes until about 1/4 of the mixture has been reduced. Then remove the jam from the heat, add in a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and then just kind of fold it in and let it rest at room temperature until it's cooled down. When your jam is all cool, it is ready to go. So I've loaded mine up into a mason jar. You can refrigerate that for up to a week, and you can use it day by day. And that is all there is to it. It's only 5 ingredients, really simple to make and put together, and it works great on a piece of toast or on yogurt or anything that you really want to put jam on. Alright guys, I just finished up making B Plate's black pepper strawberry compote. I have it here, as you can tell. It is a pretty sweet jam, so I have put it on top of a piece of toast, and I'm gonna give it a taste test for you guys. So here is the toast, and I've loaded it with some of this black pepper strawberry compote, and it is a bit of a chunkier sort of jam. You've got bits and pieces of fresh strawberry in it, and that is what makes it look really awesome and really unique. And you can also see the black pepper within the jam, and you might think that black pepper is a weird addition to jam, but it actually tastes really great at school anyway, so fingers crossed that this tastes as good as the one that I have at school. So my initial thought is that this tastes spot on, and it tastes just like the recipe that they make at B Plate. So obviously it's authentic, and it's got a little bit of that tart, tangy flavor coming through from the vinegar and the sourness of the strawberries, but then it's also got that sweetness coming through from the sugar that we've added, and also the strawberries themselves. So this is a really great compote. I would highly recommend it if you guys get the chance. It works well on toast and also works really great on yogurt, which is what I typically eat it on at school. If you guys enjoyed this recipe and want to see more recipes from B Plate's cookbook, please let me know down below in the comments. I would be happy to make more recipes because honestly, I love B Plate to the ends of the earth. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next week with an all new video. Bye.